In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to add breakpoints in Webflow so you can design responsive layouts that look great on every screen size. Breakpoints are a core part of building modern websites, and if you're not using them correctly, your site can easily break on tablets or mobile devices. Whether you're brand new to Webflow or you've been designing for a while and just want a quick refresher, this step-by-step guide will walk you through the entire process. And if you find this tutorial helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more Webflow tips, tutorials, and best practices. All right, let's jump right in. First, go to your site inside Webflow. Open your browser, log into your Webflow account, and open the project where you want to add breakpoints. Make sure you're inside the Webflow Designer, not just the dashboard view. Once your site loads in the Designer, you'll see the main editing canvas in the center with your design elements and the toolbar across the top. Next, look toward the top of the editing pane. You'll see a set of icons that control your view and layout settings. Click on the three dots above the editing pane. This menu contains additional layout and responsive options that are easy to miss if you're new to Webflow. Clicking these three dots opens up the breakpoint settings. Now, choose the breakpoints you wish to add. Webflow allows you to enable additional breakpoints beyond the default desktop, tablet, and mobile views. From the menu, you can select which breakpoints you want, such as larger desktop screens or custom device widths. Think about the types of users visiting your site and the devices they're most likely using. Selecting the right breakpoints here gives you more control over how your design adapts across screen sizes. Once you've selected the breakpoints you want, click on the Create button. Webflow will now add those breakpoints to your project. After this, you'll see new device icons appear at the top of the Designer, allowing you to switch between each breakpoint. From here, you can start adjusting layouts, font sizes, spacing, and positioning specifically for each screen size without affecting the others. Take a moment to click through each breakpoint and review your design. This is where responsive design really comes to life. Make small adjustments as needed to ensure everything looks clean and readable. Remember, changes made on smaller breakpoints won't affect larger ones, but changes on larger breakpoints can cascade down, so always design from large to small. And that's it, you're done. You've successfully added breakpoints in Webflow, and you're now ready to build fully responsive websites with confidence. If this video helped you out, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more Webflow tutorials coming every week. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.